rest of it.
Have you heard it, Jerry?
No.
That happened to Mike one night when he was trying to tell me something. Stop laughing. I can't remember what it
This
was.
is what makes Willie laugh at him. He gets laughing like that, and then Willie lets out her beller, and then he laughs even harder because he's laughing at her. Okay, finish. he's got everybody else laughing at him.
Did you record that?
Yeah.
Okay, finish, Jim.
Leave me alone.
Leave me alone.
So the dog's over in the corner licking his ass, and yeah.
And the wife's what's he doing?
Dad! Jesus. He's snorting.
And he's trying to get the taste of the meat. Trying to get the taste of the meatloaf out of his mouth.